BEV.
The Federal Office for Metrology and Surveying, abbreviated as BEV, was founded in 1923 through the merger of the Bundesvermessungsamt and the Normalleitungskommission. For 100 years, BEV has covered a very broad spectrum of tasks and is the competent authority in the fields of surveying, geoinformation, metrology and calibration in Austria. In recent years, BEV has also been entrusted with additional responsibilities in the areas of market surveillance and European consumer protection. The BEV provides information, known as geospatial data, covering the entire Austrian territory. This geospatial data describes Austria's topography from its entirety down to the smallest unit, the parcel of land. In recent decades, the methods for data collection, calculation, and data distribution have undergone significant changes. While for a long time, angle measuring instruments, also known as theodolites, and distance measuring devices were used for precise positioning, today, total stations are used that enable fully automatic measurement and calculation processes. High-precision positioning or coordinate determination for surveys is now possible through the Austrian Positioning Service, APOS, a satellite positioning service operated by BEV. APOS is also used in agriculture for precise farming. BEV operates 37 reference stations throughout Austria, and with approximately 59,000 precisely measured control points, APOS forms the basis for large-scale projects as well as parcel surveys. Austria consists of 10 million parcels of land. Information about these parcels, including their location, boundaries, addresses, or use, is stored in BEV's cadastre. Originally, this cadastre was maintained and updated in many analog plans and records. However, with digitalization, the paper format has become a thing of the past. The cadastre data is now stored in databases, can be combined with other geospatial data such as aerial imagery, and is available online, always up to date. This significant innovation also applies to the cartographic and topographic data of the national maps. The permanent availability, high quality, and the ability to integrate data into various application systems are essential factors that make BEV's geospatial data play a significant role in Austria's geospatial infrastructure. A powerful and internationally acknowledged national metrology system is an indispensable part of a country's economic life. Highly developed metrology is a fundamental requirement for quality and progress in trade, industry, healthcare, and environmental protection. In Austria, BEV ensures that national measurement standards for calibrating measuring devices in industry are available, and that legally required measuring devices in production and trade meet accuracy regulations. The majority of measuring device types are verified by around 50 private verification offices authorized and supervised by BEV, while verification for certain measuring devices is performed by BEV itself. The basis of metrology is the international system of units with its 7 base units and the derived units. Austrian measurement units or standards are housed in BEV's laboratories. International comparison measurements ensure that BEV's measurement standards are internationally recognized, extending the validity of calibrations based on these standards beyond national boundaries. In the laboratory for time and frequency, 2 cesium atomic clocks and a hydrogen maser are in operation for the precise definition of the second. The master clock, one of the atomic clocks, serves as the national standard for the Austrian time scale, while the other atomic clock is used for backup and calibration. The national time scale is continually monitored through international comparison measurements with satellites, and through these measurements, the BEV contributes to international timekeeping. The active hydrogen maser provides the highly accurate reference frequency for the femtosecond comb generator, the length standard. In length measurement, the Austrian prototype of the platinum iridium meter has long been retired. Since 1983, the meter has been defined as the length of the path traveled by light in a vacuum in 1/300 millionth of a second. This measurement standard is represented by an optical femtosecond frequency comb generator. The Federal Office for Metrology and Surveying was the first institution to build and use a comb generator in 2001 in collaboration with the Max Planck Institute for Quantum Optics and the company Menlo Systems. This technology was developed by Nobel laureate Theodor Hansch. Today, BEV collaborates with 4 other metrology institutes worldwide as a pilot laboratory for representing the length standard and, in 2007, was additionally entrusted by the International Bureau of Weights and Measures, BIPM, with coordinating, evaluating, and publishing comparison measurements. The Federal Office for Metrology and Surveying. 100 years of history, innovation, and progress. 100 years of service to Austrian society and the economy.
BEV, Bundesamt für Eich- und Vermessungswesen.